Hey everyone, our today's topic is what is data science? What is data science? Data science is made up of three branches. First is computer science and IT background. Second is a math and statistics. Third is a domain and business knowledge. From computer science and IT, we take the software development and machine learning part, and the math and statistics from take the machine learning part, and domain business knowledge we take the additions. After a mixture of three domain knowledge, we have make the one branch is known as data science. In the today's industry, data science is the most important part of the industry, used in the most massive amount. Data science is a field that we use scientific method, process, making of algorithms, extract the knowledge. In data science, we have used the data is the structured data and unstructured data, and apply knowledge and actionable insights from data across a broad range of application in domains. What do you mean by history of data science? This is the history of data science. Data science is comes in the form of two types: the corporate industry and the academic industry. In corporate industry, in 1955 was television was across industrial revolution, and after World War II, computers and AI were extensively come. In 1965, Peter Drucker was introduced the idea of worker, and in 1965 also the HP's world first desktop computer is come. 75 Kaizen and Toyota was used the production systems adopted manufacturing. 75 and John Turkey was written the book Experimental, which we have today's world we have work on this. In 1985, the Excel is come, and after 85, the Microsoft Windows launched integrating the window. In 1955, Internet makes the world connected, and 2000 dot com is come to the business. This in this every business go to the online market. 2005, the social medias are come and experience they improve the data. In 2010, the smartphones take the place. In 2015, it's a time of machine learning and AI becomes. It is the history of data science. In this, we cover topics we covered. First, why data science. Second, advantage and disadvantage. Data science skills. What does a data scientist do? Prerequisites for data scientist software used and CRISP DM. First of all, we know about the advantage and disadvantage. Every field some is advantage. In every field some is a disadvantage also. In advantage, it is the most demandable skill in today's world and in future's world also. But disadvantage is that it is a focused term. We have to focus on the work. In the data science, we face daily challenges in our daily life. Evidence of positions. There are lots of positions in data science field, but it is impossible to complete a mastery in the data science. We have mastery in the history knowledge, maths knowledge, but we are not possible to complete the mastery in it because we make the algorithm to daily faces the new challenges. It is a advantage. One advantage is highly paid career. Lots of money in this career. After 2 to 3 years, you have experience. You get a so much amount. But one disadvantage is that large amount of domain knowledge is required. Every domain knowledge has you have to required to work on this skill. Yeah, as a software engineer who's a knowledge of Java, some is learning about the Python, but it is a whole knowledge of domain is required. Data science is a versatile branch. It is a very versatile branch. In data science, we use the attributed data, but it's unexpected the results. Data science makes a data better. Data science used to data improve the data, and the problem of the one thing is disadvantage the problem of data privacy. In the data science world, you have data is not private; it is a public data. Why data science is used in our daily life? Here now the curiosity. Why data science is used nowadays? First, data science is used in enables the better making, decision making, predictive analysis, and pattern discovery. You have to use the data science for making a decision tree, predictive analysis, and pattern the basically. In the half of our data science, we use the cause the problem, write questions, perform and exploit on the data. We make the different algorithms. We can easily communicate by the graphs, dashboards. We can decide the plan and routes also. We can decide the forecast, weather also. Decide the plans and further to better our performance. And data science skill is required in different fields. There is no about the why we do the data science. Various skills are used in every field. Data science is used: field data analysis, data warehouse, data visualization, machine learning. But in skills are used: data analysis, R, Python, stats. But tools we use: Jupyter, RStudio, MATLAB, ETL, scale, Hadoop. There are so many tools we use in the different skills and tools. In everybody knows that they are doing the data science, but which field you want to choose to go? I will not want to choose a machine learning. Every don't want data visualization. There are so many fields for choose the data science. This is most important. Know about what a data scientist do. You have said it, bhaiya, everybody has to do the data science. What work the data scientist do? Ask, first the data scientist part is to understand the right problem, to getting the data from the public data and convert the raw data into convertible analysis and make an algorithm for do the work, and then the appropriate stakeholders and share the appropriate files to the clients. This is the main role of data scientists do. Prerequisite for data scientists is: first, in data science requests are we use the machine learning, modeling, statics, programming, and database. We have the knowledge of machine learning, modeling, statics, and programming. We have the knowledge about the machine learning, how we can make the machine learning codes, how we can make the modeling, statistics, programming, and database. Database we use the SQL, programming we use Python and R. Statics have most important knowledge. Modeling is for how we model our codes. This is the main point to for remember. Basically, the software we use in the data science is Anaconda, Python, Table, Scala, etc. Basically, you have download the Anaconda from the internet. There you have to get all the software for data science. Basically, I am use Anaconda. I am use this software as I have mentioned it. What is Crisp DM? What is CRISP-DM? CRISP-DM is a cross-industry standard process for data mining. In CRISP-DM, there are six processes. First is business understanding, second is data understanding, third is data preparation, fourth is modeling, fifth is evaluation deployment. First of all, we have take the client. Take example. I am a company. Aishwara Enterprise Limited is a company. The client has come to me and they give me the objective first of task. And first we understand the business objective. After understanding the business objective, we divide into where we collect the data. We collect the primary source of data or secondary source of data. In the primary source of data and secondary source of data. After that collecting the data, we have created the data preparation to or make the modeling. Data preparation in we do the feature engineering, cleaning the data. After modeling, we best we meet the we evaluate the this codes for a business objective. Identify and after deployment part is the software developer. He can develop deployment the part. Every basically in the data scientist field, you have give the software engineer to deployment the code. First of all, we understand how we can identify the business objective. So first, we record a business objective, record a business consultant. Basically, business consultant objective will be 2 to 3 words. Also, we recommend use the data optimize terms, minimize and maximize. Business objective is the most important factor in the data science because all the projects depend on the business objective. Data understanding we continue in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.